Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious salsas that go perfect with all of your favorite Mexican dishes. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients for our salsa verde. So we're going to need 7 tomatillos, 1/4 of an onion, 1 chile jalapeño, a handful of cilantro, 5 chiles de árbol, 1 garlic clove, and salt. So these are ingredients, now let's get started. We're going to begin by placing the tomatillos, jalapeño, and onion in a broiler safe baking sheet. Make sure to separate the onion along with the garlic clove. We're going to set the broiler on high, and once ready, we're going to place them in the oven and allow it to broil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to get them out of the oven, flip the tomatillos, onion, and jalapeño, and remove the garlic clove. We're going to place it back in and allow them to broil for 5 more minutes. And once done, we're going to remove them and allow them to cool down. Meanwhile, we can get our chiles de árbol ready. So just place them in a small pot and allow them to come to a boil. Once done, place them in the blender cup along with salt, the garlic clove, the handful of cilantro, the piece of onion, jalapeño, and tomatillos. Close the blender cup and blend for 12 seconds. And once done, we're going to transfer it to a bowl. And here you can taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. And just like that, we have our salsa verde. Alrighty guys, so for our salsa roja, we're going to need 2 roma tomatoes, 2 chile puya, or you can substitute for 1 chile guajillo, 1 chile morita, chile de árbol, 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and salt. So these are ingredients, now let's get started. In our small saucepan, we're going to add our tomatoes along with all of our chile pods. We're going to cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring them to a boil. Once they come to a boil, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup. And once we have them ready, we're also going to add our garlic clove, 2 teaspoons of salt, along with the vinegar, and 1/4 of a cup of water. We're going to close our blender cup and blend until smooth. And just like that, we have our salsa roja. So we're going to transfer it to our bowl. Taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. And just like that, we have our salsa roja. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that these 2 salsas are the salsas from the previous video. You guys, a lot of you were requesting it, so here they are. They're seriously super easy, and these salsas, you cannot find them anywhere else. These are just seriously the best, and they can only be made at home. So my mouth is already watery. Now, of course, the salsa roja, it's spicy. You know, we used a lot of chile de árbol, but if you don't want it to be spicy, then just use about 5 chile de árboles. But for me, this is honestly perfect. And once you refrigerate it and allow it to sit, you know, for the next day, it loses kind of the spiciness. So just keep that in mind. And as for the salsa verde, you know, you can always make it a little spicier, substitute the jalapeño for a chile de árbol, but these are just perfect and super enjoyable with all of your favorite dishes. Tacos, tostadas, burritos, literally everything. And just look at that. So I am so ready, so I hope you give it a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And the best part is that they're super easy to make. You know, the salsa roja. Here it is. Spicy. Spicy. And the chile morita helps it, you know, with the little smokiness. That it is so good. So good. And salsa roja is always my favorite. And salsa verde is a little mild. And the tomatillos, it just balances it perfectly. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my salsa verde y salsa roja that go perfect with all of your favorite Mexican dishes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you look at this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.